Very good afternoon, friends. In this video, we are going to draw the orthographic views, that is, the two-dimensional views of a given solid which is drawn to the isometric view. So, the isometric view of a component is given, and we are going to draw the front, top, and end views of this as per the directions indicated. So friends, here if you observe the overall dimensions of the solid, it has got a width 45, height 45, length is also 45. So very obviously it's going to be something like a cubical box. So if I am taking this side of the box, there is a circular cutout made exactly in the center of this face in the front view. So friends, if you look from the front, you are going to have one rectangle 15 by height 45, second one 15 by height 45, another rectangle. This circular slot appears as something like this, as a rectangle, so of 15 by the height 40. So in the front view, friends, to start with, on this page you have a circular slot in the center. So exactly I will divide this into three parts, each having 15 mm, 15 mm and 15 mm. Exactly in the center of this you have the circular cutout. So friends, I am going to show it by a rectangle. Friends, this rectangle you have drawn in the center has got a radius of 7.5 or diameter equal to 15. So friends, this is 15 millimeter dimension, this has 15 millimeter and this has 15 millimeter. So overall to say that basically in the front view you get rectangle 1, rectangle 2 and rectangle 3 all will have the same width 15 millimeter and height is equal to 45 millimeter. Friends, in the same view, if you observe, on the left side or left face, you have got a rectangular slot cut out, which also has got same dimension 15, 15, 15. So friends, when you look from here, this slot is not visible to the observer, and hence at a distance of 10 millimeter from the end, I am going to draw a line here. So where you get the line from here? Friends, here from the left end, I am going to have a vertical line drawn, and that has got a width is equal to 10 mm. Friend, this is the indication for the hidden end, that is this end coincides with this, and we get this gap is equal to 10 millimeters. So this is 10 mm. I will mark here. There are a lot of dimensions to be marked, but since there is space restriction, I will show only few of them. Friends, in the front view we saw the circular slot. In the end we have got on the left face a rectangular slot that is shown by this line. This point coincides with this, and the bottom point is this point at the bottom of that. So friends, if you observe closely, exactly behind this face there is also a V slot cut, V-shaped slot cut in the middle of that face. So if we extend this, friends, this passes through, it has got the same width 15, 15, and this coincides with the midline or the center line of that circle. So friends, here to say exactly in the center of this rectangle, I am going to mark one more dotted line. That dotted line indicates this point. So this edge is not visible. So I will show by a dotted line. So friend, this dotted line is for this part, and this is 15. We should get two more lines. Since this is 15, this is also 15. This vertical line through this, vertical line through this, coincides with this vertical line, coincides with this vertical line. And that's all we see, friends, in the front view. I hope you're all following this. Listen carefully, be attentive till the completion of this problem. Friends, this is the front view we have totally. Let's call it as FV. Friends, let's move on to the top view. That is, you are looking on the top. Friends, what do you see in the top? In the top, you have a box 45 by 45. This is 45, this is also 45. So you get a square in the top. That square I have shown here. And what all you get, you will see, friends. Okay, this is the top you are seeing. So friends, in the top view, you get this, and back side you have got a slot cut. So I am going to mark that slot having width is equal to 15 and depth is equal to, this is 10 mm I have shown there. So friends, I am going to have a V-shaped slot here, exactly in the center of this vertical face cut throughout. So friends, that is the thing you see there. Then on the left side, you have got a slot here. So you can simply extend that slot, and that slot here, exactly in the center of this, you will have a slot having depth is equal to 10 and width is equal to 15 only. 15, 15, 15. So friends, we are going to have that slot in the top view. So mark the center of that, a rectangle here, and that rectangle will have this rectangle, friends. And I will just remove this line so that you will not have any confusion. This is how the slot looks, a rectangular slot. Friends, this has to be removed or to be shown by a very thin line. And remember, friends, this is 10, depth is 10, here also it is 10. And the width of this slot, whatever you got, is equal to 15, 15, 15, 15. So it is going to be a 15 millimeter wide rectangular slot. So you got this slot, friends. So you have this V slot, we have this rectangular slot. Friends, if you come to this face of the solid, that is, this face is this space. So here you are going to have a circle, semicircle to tell correctly. So exactly in the center of this, we are going to have what is called a semicircle having width is equal to, or the diameter of that is equal to 15. We can take this as the center and draw a circle like this, wherein this will not exist. So only we have this center, and that radius equal to, how much we have shown here? 7.5 radius. So I can simply mark a line here and show R7.5. R7.5 means the radius of that is 7.5 millimeter, or the diameter is equal to 15. So this width is 15. Please see the diagram. And this is 15, this is also 15. Totally it is 45. Friends, in the top view, we have shown successfully all the three slots. That is a circular slot, a rectangular slot, and a V slot. All are shown. So this we have shown, this we have shown, and this we have shown. Friends, we have got the complete top view showing all the important parameters and also the cutouts made on that, and we'll darken this last line, border lines of that solid. Friends, this is what we call as the top view TV. Friends, you have got the front view, you have got the top view, and we are left with drawing the end view. So for the end view, the observer looks at the object in the direction of E. So the image of that on this page falls on the right profile plane. So the view you get on the right profile plane is the left hand view or left side view or left profile view. Friends, let us come to the problem now. So here, for this width, you have got one vertical face, second vertical face, third vertical face. All of them have the width is equal to 15, 15 and 15 I have shown here. So friends, in the left hand view, you are going to have three rectangles. That is friends, here you are shown. So we can just divide this into three equal parts. And friends, you have got a rectangle here, a rectangle here. So these are the three rectangles you get. One for the vertical face, second for the slot, third for this. One, this for the slot, this for the third face. Friends, what else you see in the end view? If you look from here, this slot or this end of the V is seen at a distance of 10 millimeter from the left end. So friends, I am going to mark a dotted line here at a distance of how much? Same that you can extend here and get it. We extend here and you will get it here, friends. So simple. So we are going to have a dotted line here for this V groove end. And what else, your friend? You have a circle here, end of this at the same distance from the right end. That is, this is 7.5. So from the other end, opposite to this, we are going to get exactly here, that is 7.5. One more line. So we are going to have for the circular end another dotted line in the end view. Friends, you got three rectangles. 1, 2, 3. For this, we have got this vertical line dotted. For this end, we have this dotted line. And this rectangle represents this face or this vertical face of the solid. Friends, I am very sure we have completed the projection of the whole object in 2D. So you are given with the isometric view of a block with different types of cutouts like the rectangular cutout, circular cutout and V cutout. And we have drawn the orthographic views of this solid as per the directions F and E. And friend, this gives you the left hand view of the object, and these three all put together will represent the orthographical views or orthographic views of the solid which is given in isometric view. So friends, please go through the complete video without skipping any part of it. And whatever the drawings I make on the board here, please practice them at home whenever you have some time, because you know very well that practice makes a man perfect. So friends, at the end of the video, if you like this, do share with the information about this video and about my YouTube channel Engineering Drawing by Dr. M.H. Annaya with all your friends. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.